If you suspect that your vehicle has a clogged fuel filter, I'll go over the common symptoms, reasons why it gets clogged, and how you can address the issue. There are two main types of fuel filters. One is the inline fuel filter, which sits along the fuel line between the gas tank and the engine. The other type is an in-tank fuel filter, which is located inside the gas tank, along with the fuel pump. The setup can vary depending on the vehicle and manufacturer, but no matter where the filter is located, a clogged fuel filter will cause similar symptoms in the engine. The key difference is that if the filter is inside the gas tank, you'll need to remove the fuel pump to access it. What happens when fuel filter is clogged? When a fuel filter becomes clogged, it essentially blocks the flow of gasoline to the engine. This can result in the engine not receiving enough fuel or experiencing low fuel pressure. If you check the fuel pressure at the engine fuel rail and find that it's lower than the vehicle's recommended level, this could indicate a clogged filter. For example, if the vehicle is supposed to run at 55 psi, but is only getting 30 or 40 psi, or even 0, the filter may be the culprit. Symptoms of a clogged fuel filter. As for the symptoms of a clogged fuel filter, they can include difficulty starting the engine, or in some cases, the engine may not start at all. It may also idle roughly, experience poor engine performance, or hesitate when you try to accelerate. Misfires or engine stalling are also common signs that the fuel filter is clogged. Why does a fuel filter become clogged? One reason the fuel filter becomes clogged could simply be that it's old and needs to be replaced. Fuel filters, especially inline ones, wear out over time as part of regular maintenance. Depending on the vehicle manufacturer, they generally need replacement every 30,000 to 60,000 miles. If you're replacing a filter after just 10,000 miles, that's likely too soon, and something else could be causing premature clogging. The most common reason for a fuel filter's short lifespan is the presence of contaminants in the gas tank, particularly rust. This is especially common in vehicles that have been stored for long periods. If a vehicle sits unused for 6 months to a year with old gasoline in the tank, the gas can degrade, and components inside the tank or fuel pump can start to rust. The rust flakes off, traveling through the fuel system and clogging the fuel filter. If your vehicle has been in storage and you're seeing repeated fuel filter issues, rust contamination is one of the first things to check. Another issue that can occur, especially with inline fuel filters, is improper installation. Fuel filters typically have an arrow indicating the direction of fuel flow, and this arrow should point toward the engine. If the filter is installed incorrectly, with the arrow facing the wrong way, it can cause problems. While this isn't too common, it's still something to be aware of, as an incorrectly installed fuel filter can lead to performance issues. How do you fix a clogged fuel filter? The most straightforward solution to fix a clogged fuel filter is to replace it. If it's an inline fuel filter, just make sure to install it correctly, with the arrows pointing toward the engine. This is the simplest type of fuel filter to replace. If the fuel filter is inside the gas tank with the fuel pump, you can purchase a replacement fuel filter and try disassembling the fuel pump to install the new filter. Some people prefer to do this, but personally, if I had to remove the entire fuel pump, I'd opt to replace the whole unit, as it typically comes with the new filter already included. However, if you believe the fuel pump has a long life ahead, you can try just replacing the filter. If the filter is clogging up quickly, it's a good idea to check the gas tank for contaminants, especially rust. Rust buildup is a common cause of rapid fuel filter clogging, particularly in vehicles that have been stored for a while. That's basically it. If you've experienced any of these issues, feel free to comment below. If this video was helpful, please like, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.